welcome back to my channel. I want to show you a little secret I have for getting this truck up on service ramps. It also works really good when you're at a campground and need to pull your rig up onto leveling blocks. Primarily it works good for truck campers, not necessarily for trailers, but let's see if I can manipulate the camera here. But I'm going to shift the truck into neutral and set my parking brake. We're going to switch into low range. A little clunking sound, and it's in low range now. That has to be done when it's in neutral. So parking brake still set, transmission still in neutral. What this truck is going to do is it's going to crawl right up on these ramps. And that's exactly what I did. I didn't have to apply any throttle input to get this up on the ramps. I have a truck camper, so it works really good for getting the front wheels up on leveling blocks too, which generally is primarily how I have to level it. The truck sits high in the back even with the truck camper on it, so I almost always have to put blocks under the front wheels, so this trick works super good for that.